Okay, for installation of Power BI Desktop, first go into your search bar and type Microsoft Store. Okay, you can see here Microsoft Store, click on it. And then in Microsoft Store, go to in search bar and type Power BI. Now you can see three different types of Power BI software. Now carefully choose Power BI Desktop. Now here simply click on install button and your Power BI is starting to install. Okay, here our Power BI Desktop is now successfully installed. So what we'll do, just click on open button. And if you found difficulty to install Power BI through Microsoft Store, then just follow the link in description and open that link. You will get page like this. Then click on download button, choose English select language is English. Then click on download button, then select the 64-bit of your setup. Most of the time your computer is 64-bit, so just click on it and click on next button and it will start installing it. Now you can find that file into your download section and just double click on it. Select your default language, then click on next button. Just click on next button, accept the terms and conditions, then click on next button, leave it as it is, click on next button. You can click on it and click on install button and it will start installing Power BI Desktop into your computer. It will take some time. Okay, Power BI Desktop is now successfully installed. Now click on finish button and it will open the Power BI Desktop successfully. So these are the two ways to install Power BI, and if you face any problem to install Power BI or any problem regarding data analysis or data science, let me know in comment section. And also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Until then, keep gaining knowledge. Bye bye.